YouTube, welcome back. So today we are working on this 2017 Honda Pilot. So somebody opened their door and then scratch right here. So I'm trying to use you can feel like a little couple dent. Hopefully it's gonna come out. I used the damp cloth to wipe it, but it's not coming out. So I'm gonna use the wax. See if I could try to buff it out. I'm gonna use this new finish, the once a year called polish. So I'm gonna put on this damp cloth and then try to wipe it. That's why you want to go ahead and shake it. Oh, don't want to put too much. Try to give it a good buff. Blowing grease. Should have just used my drill with the buffering pad, so I don't have to work that hard. So I'm gonna use cleaning one of the cleaning microfiber cleaning cloth to buff it out and see. So that much. So yeah, that look much better. Got a couple spot right there. I'm going to go over one more time. I'm gonna use the drill machine with the buffering pad. See if I can try to get it out. So looking up from this angle, it's almost gone. This one right here. Right here. Alright, so I'm gonna use Total Wax 2. This is my drill set. Got the buffering pad, polish pad. So I'm gonna put this back, and then after that I'm gonna use this one. Alright, so now I'm gonna buff it out. Wow, it's gone. Nice. There's a block dot is from the wax, so I'm gonna wax it out. Small tiny dot. Man, pretty satisfied. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments down below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one, like always. Peace.